it was basically a low of 80 traders. So hit 3. So we just want to break our confirmation below 80. And hopefully we can get retraced back up in the opening range traders or short the move traders.
Trade locals trying to push.
Okay, we're through traders. Let's see if we can get back up to short this move now. Okay, selling down mini traders, selling down mini. Short at 77 traders, short 77. Try to get to 81, but that didn't happen. Okay, traders, so short at 77 traders. And we got the actual break now to the low side. We'll break the lows. Now we're going to put a stop traders from here. We'll have a stop roughly. We can give it a couple different places though. 83 is the range traders. I basically say, let's say the high of the candle was. The high is currently 91 traders. So above the high, we really don't want to give back anything above the high as much. So stops at 97. Let's just take off a couple off here. So stops at 94 traders, stops at 94. ADX is now pushing back up again, traders. We'll see now if this trade can actually work out, traders. So the question is this going to be now a double bottom or not? We need to break these lows and hold here, traders. We need to hold the A3 area, traders, before we get through. And we need a basically confirmation or another trade below 80. Or basically we're going to roll ourselves back out of this. ADX has to go above 20. We need this thing to start rising or the trade's out and we're out of it.
I'm trying to push this thing into leaning on a 7 off or 6 out, put it on him at 7.
Okay, traders, so now that we're in this trade, we can go release a sample here saying what. Okay, so I look at basically, there's 2 different ways you can look at the market, traders. One is indicators. The next is your intuition or your gut feeling, traders. You have to use both. I would hate to rely on gut, and I hate to rely on basically instinct and also indicators. Price action dictates indicators. Gut dictates whether or not you get in a trade or not. If you have at least a system or something you can follow with, you can learn its parameters. And look at right now we're getting out of it, going flat. Looks like we're at 93 right now. Stops at 94, and ADX is climbing. And are we going to roll over or not? Actually, ADX dipped. Or pull back the 8-period moving average shares right now, 77. Let's give us a full point swing here. Moving stop to 97. Okay, traders, so right now, ADX is now closing. It looks like, okay, so we got the ADX now rising again, traders. We'll give it 1 point. We'll see what happens here, traders. Looks like we are. So the question is, indicators are now telling you one thing. You've gone past your indicator stage. Now it's a gut feeling I'm on. I have to look at price action to figure out exactly, okay, where are we going? What's going to happen? Different people have different price tracking. You can use smaller time frames, 50 ticks, 89 ticks, 233s, bars, candles, what have you. It's a personal preference what you use to stay in a trade or to get into a trade. You need to find, basically what works. I generally find on like the 233 for the ES, S&P 500, I like that. I also use, if I can, and we're also bouncing off the pivot, so this is going to be a rough going here, traders, for us to get through pivot. So at the moment, traders, right now, currently 233 is showing some strength here, so it looks like we could be dumping this here, traders. I like the fact that we're still under the 21 period moving average on 233, but we'll see how that pans out here. Okay, traders, so we'll have to go over that later. A little more. Okay, we're done probably. I'm probably out of the trade. Let's see. Oh, looks like we got price action is definitely getting stronger. We're having spikes here coming into it. We're basically going to bounce off the opening, bounce off the pivot. I thought we'd gotten close enough before, but okay, stopped out, traders, stopped out.
Light still. 11.5 here. Locals only on the offer here, guys. 8 ounce trading. 80 minute an hour light. 80 minute at 870.